Kung ngayon gagawin ng eleksyon, susuportahan mo ba ang senatorial slate ni BBM?
Wala akong iboboto na kahit isang kandidato ng BBM administration. At nais ko rin ikampanya, sabihin sa mga kababayan natin Pilipino na reject alyansa ng Bagong Pilipinas candidate. Iboto po natin straight PDP Laban.
No way.
Bakit?
Kasi they don't deserve any of our votes as a Filipino. They are like, nakikita mo ang hirap ng mga Pilipino ngayon eh. Yun, yung parang sobra-sobra na. They don't deserve any seats sa government. Oo.
Senatorial slate, actually, ngayon nga, it's very timing kasi magkakaroon tayo ng election. Here sa Japan, alam naman natin na talaga ang mga Japanese, when they vote, straight to one. So if I would be choosing to whom to vote, of course, mas pipiliin ko yung plataforma na actually nagagawa. The slate of BBM was given so much time already. Bata pa ako, mga senador na tong mga nasa slate nila. And now I'm 36 years old and they're still clamoring that they can do changes sa Pilipinas. I think it's now right time to actually support our PDP slate kasi kailangan natin ng pagbabago. So if we have a full slate dun sa Senado, we can actually control what is the government is doing right now. So for me, let's not vote together with all the professional voters right now. We comprises already around 80% of the population that can vote. So we can actually use our strength to be unified, not to vote the BBM slate.
Of course not. What a question! Diba? Question pa, itatanong pa ba yan? Siguro kung itatanong yan ng ibang tao, diba? Hindi talaga susuporta sa kanya. Alam naman natin na walang susuporta sa kanya kung hindi ako susuporta sa kanya.